This is a quick build guide, and we're going to be putting on the pan and deck. The wood that we supply, the flat wood for this, is rough cut, and you have to do the final cut yourself. And we do that so that you can have a nice fit when it's all put together. There may be some little variations, and instead of us cutting it exact, and it may be a little bit too small, or you may have to trim it anyway. We just give you enough to where you can do it yourself and make that final adjustment whenever you cut it to fit. So we'll get started with that. So we'll go ahead and measure this, and I tell you, what I found the easiest way to do this is just to, we're going to, let me get it a little bit closer here, is that we'll just go ahead and put it, and all of these, the inside dimensions here are all going to be the same. So hold it here, and we'll just give us a little mark. And then the length, we'll do the same. We'll hold it here and here, and we'll give ourselves a little mark there. And we'll go ahead and trim it. I lost my mark on it. I wound up cutting it off. So we'll remark it. It's not much trimming that's needed, but it definitely gives a better fit by doing it this way. And we'll put it in, and you can see it slides in very, very nicely, and it makes for a very good fit that way. So we have that done, and we'll do the same for the deck. And we'll make sure that these, I'm pushing these all the way over to the arms, and that's the way I normally do this. But you can make it a little bit smaller if you wanted to. That's, you know, again, up to you. But I do that because, and you will see that the electronics fit under here very well that way. And again, we're gonna hold it to there. You can measure it if you want, but I find holding it up to it is a good way to do it. It works well. And we'll do the same this way. There we go. Nice fit there. So let's go ahead and secure the bottom. Again, we're going to use a 16th inch bit. And when we ran these holes through before, this is where they come in handy. We'll support the bottom with this. I'm supporting the bottom of this pan here, and we'll go ahead and drill through the bottom. And you'll feel it go through, catch on the other hole that you drilled earlier. And whenever it does, it'll go right on through. There you go. We're going to use a 5/8 screw, and we're going to drill it in from the top. And it's usually better to finish this by hand. You're threading into the nylon arm. And we'll pull it tight. There we go. We'll go ahead and again support the bottom, or support the deck with our hand, and we're going to drill this hole through. Okay, we have it screwed in, and by screwing it in from the top, it locks in to the reinforcement side right here. It goes through this reinforcement cross piece, and it makes for a real nice tight machine. Anyway, that's it for this. We'll go ahead and put the deck on after we do the electronics, but we'll catch it with 4 screws. But that's how it's done. Make sure it's screwed in from the top. That's part of the system. That's what locks it all in together. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time, and thanks.